Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we visited Ping Pong at Spas. Soon, Ping Pong at Spa is coming up with the table tennis tournament. To know more about it, let's have a word with Mr. Subramaniam. So, hello sir, how are you?
Thank you. Very well.
So, sir, can you just give us information about this tournament happening?
It's on the 21st of February, and the entrances are to be finished by the 15th or 16th of this month. It's all over the social channels. This is the second tournament that we are conducting, and in fact, the last tournament was a huge success with several sponsors. We expect that it is going to be much bigger than this. We have received a lot of inquiries from several places. Lot of good players, people who are wanting to get into the state ranking. They're also wanting to come and play with us. So this is going to be a very standard tournament, a tournament which will set standards for people to come and follow.
Okay, sir, anyone could register for this tournament?
Yeah, several people have registered. We already have almost close to about 100 registrations.
Do any specific age groups are required for this?
No, you don't have any age group. Look at me. I'm a retired person. I'm almost 61. I still come to play here because I need to improve my health. My health is more important to me. A child has to get into a game so that he doesn't suffer from walking, talking, and good mindset. This game gives you all that and more. It gives you excellent concentration, good eyesight. All that is provided in this game. So that is why I've come here.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir. And now Mr. Ajay is going to tell us about the registration process to get into this tournament. So hello, sir. Could you just tell us about the registration process?
So you need to type ping pong at Spars. It is across all the social networking platforms, and we do have 2 phone numbers as well. You can call us and then you can get registered.
So sir, do we have any age limit or anyone can apply for this tournament?
Yes, there is no age limit as such, but the tournament is the participants are going to get divided into 3 categories: the amateurs, intermediate, and the advanced. So depending on the level of play that they want to opt, they can get registered into those divisions.
So how come you're here?
So I'm Ajay, and I'm a finance manager in Qualcomm, and I'm a CP as well. But there's some strategy that I play every day, that I need to believe in work-life balance. So that's what brought me here. I'm enjoying my work, pros and cons of work from home. At the same time, I'm ensuring that I'm getting time to play or getting time to do some physical activity. So now Spars, which started last year, now last year they had a tournament. They tasted good success last time. Now this tournament is going to become bigger. Let me remind you, very bigger. The word is spreading like wildfire, and huge number of participants are turning out. So to ensure that we are giving good competition, I am here to practice. See, I'm already sweating it out. I'm ensuring that I'm giving a good practice because the tournament is going to get bigger and bigger.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So, as we heard from Mr. Subramaniam and Mr. Ajay, the tournament is going to be held on 21st February 2021. So, guys, please be a part of this tournament. And if you're really looking forward to be a part of it and wanna play the game, so you can register on their website. For more details, you can visit Ping Pong at Spas, Yapral, Sanikpuri. And see you soon on the tournament day. Thank you.